Hi and welcome to Olsen the Dane. Today we're going to make cappuccino with a French press. It's very easy and very delicious. So first we have to make the coffee. And then adding some coffee. While that's heating up, I'm going to make the milk foam with the French press. So while the coffee is heating up, I'm going to make the milk foam for the cappuccino. So you just take your French press, pour in some milk. This is a low-fat milk. Assemble your French press, and it's time to whip it. Let's have a look at it. So within 10 seconds, we got some very thick, nice. And now we are ready to put our cappuccino together. So we'll take the coffee. Actually, I like it to put the milk in before the coffee, but today we are doing it with the coffee first and then the milk. So I have to undo this because it's very thick foam. Very delicious. And here you are, a homemade cappuccino, very easy, just with a French press, some milk and coffee. Enjoy. Wow, that's good. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.